welcome to my vlog. Today we receive a parcel from Aramis. Wait, shway. This is what? Abadi. This is the toys of Abadi. Wait. Yes. Fugitive toy figures. Okay, bundle. Okay, we'll see now. Okay, open it slowly. Excited. Oh my gosh. But I'm excited to see. I don't know, use scissor. You know how to cut it? Careful your hand. Okay. And also here, cut here the elastic because cut.
Huh?
Here. Oh my God. I give it. You don't know how to cut it. This boy. Don't pull it. It's difficult. Hold this one. Okay.
And then you hold that.
Okay, I will just open it. Cut it.
Now you hold.
Yeah.
You hold.
Okay. What's inside?
Iba yun.
Here. Wait.
Iba yun.
What? What's inside?
Iba yun.
Are you sure? Cut with your hand. Take your hand. Cut here. Here, cut here. Here, the elastic. Oh my goodness. Don't know how to... ano mo na lang baka ma-video ko mo.
Iba yun.
Here. I see. What you have there? Excited. Okay. I see.
Oh,
what is toys? Ay, didn't pull out. Hindi siya kakonti na budlayan sa Wow! What this toys? A body. What all this? This same toys? Same. What this one? This is a small one. See? Oh my gosh. What this mga ano nito?
Baby.
Ang tawag nito?
Man.
Guys, is a creator. Ano tawag nito? Mga nilalang. Anong klase mga nilalang ito, guys? Oh my gosh. But how much you buy for this?
172.
Oh my gosh. See what kind of mga nilalang ito, guys. Ito.
That's good.
PGTV.
This is
Toys collections. Yan. Oh my goodness. And what this? Yan guys, dami na niyang collection ng mga ganyan. Where's the others before, Abadi? Where's your PGTV toys before? See guys, see? What? This is the PGTV. PGTV.
I put in the box.
See, yan yung mga una niyang in-order doon, guys. So, ito.
Yeah,
fan of Fugitive. Ayan. Fugitive! Shout out. Yan. Abadi's Collections. He's collecting your toys. May piggy din siya. Yan. Kompleto na to, guys. Ang dami na niyang nakolekta. Ayan. Saan ka pa? Ang mata. Ito. What this? Yan.
This toy is very good.
What kind of creators? This is the big one, Abadi. See how this? Yeah. This is the dad and this is the baby.
And this is the racist.
There is also the black one. Okay, oh my gosh. And this? Where's your squishy?
Squishy?
See guys, the squishy one.
Come, the small. You see, no?
There is also?
The same.
Why you bring two? This is the squishy. Squeeze. Squishy. What this?
Funny boy.
The microphone. Buddy, can I sing for this?
Yes. You see? Talk.
Hello. Ay. Guys, may microphone din siya ng PGTV.
Talk. You only have your normal voice. Come, say the normal voice.
Hello? Hi. Give me your toys, please.
Sure.
You can... What this?
2. I'll give Tina to his
Oh my gosh. So, that's all guys for today's video. Ang unboxing ni Abadi from Aramix. So, dumating na and he's so excited to open. And now, ito na nga siya ang mga kanyang fugitive toys. Yan.
I give Tina.
Which one?
I had 2 for this.
Mayroon din yun guys. So, collection niya. Ayun, yan. Sa box. Ang dami doon.
This is the best one. You want to see?
What's this? What's this?
Like and then.
Thank you guys. Thank you for
This is
watching.
one I do. You know what? This.